Scoop, what? Here comes 5-inch. We were just talking about you. What we could call you, and we're gonna call you 5-inch. What do you got there, homie?
Chicken bacon ranch.
Where'd you get that from? The homie station?
Paid way too much for it.
Open that one, there's also.
Armadillo boots?
I'm Van Gogh, see?
Armadillo boots?
Yeah. I looked up the internet and they tell me.
Armadillo boots would be kinda cool.
I'm Van Gogh.
You're a homo?
Homo. I'm painting with Bob Ross. Just a little brush here, a little stroke there, a little. You ever watch Bob Ross? You guys are like missing part of your life. Gilligan's Island, they don't know what Gilligan's Island is.
I wasn't even
How about
born.
the-
I
how
wasn't
about
even
the-
born until you were an
How
old
about the
fucker.
Beverly Hillbillies? Jethro,
I never watched it.
Ellie Mae, Granny,
I remember seeing it on TV.
the Clampetts, Jed Clampett. He was related to a C. Clampett. Jed Clampett. Alright, now you're gonna get pissed at me. Watch. Now I'm gonna brag in front of the TV. See that? Can you see me in frame? There, I just pulled it out, filled it up. Shut the door. Go to work. I think I should straighten that hinge too.
I wouldn't.
It's a little cattywampus.
Perfect.
That's right, chowder right to F, yo. Sure, I can be on camera all day long.
Your brains are chowdered right there.
My brains are gone, dude. It's from all this paint. I even got that, oh, hinge, see that?
What?
That door before would barely move. You know what I used? Ancient Chinese secret. This is like Billy May in the commercial.
Well, the dipshit that spray paints the
He used to
stuff
spray,
on the bottom of the screen door in the bottom of the boat.
open and shut. This is the buy two get one free, $4.99. $40 shipping though. Did you ever notice how they did that? It'd be like buy one get one free, but then the shipping was $19.99 plus shipping again, $19.99. Nobody's getting anything cheap. Whatever. There's 5-inch. That's 5-inch. What are you having? Did you eat that whole thing already? You got a brownie for me?
Well,
Where'd you get them? Who made them? I got chewing that, but I can get rid of that for some sugar. You want one? You probably had one already. I gotta put this down now. We'll see. We'll resume later. Yeah, the machining isn't the best, but
First one was gonna be cross thread.
cross thread's better than no thread. Isn't that pretty cool though? Not Troy, the fuel cell. Where are you going?
What? Work?
Work? 5-inch is gonna go to work.
Yeah.
So which one did you like better, Ginger or Mary Ann? You never saw the show, huh? Terrible. Alright. What are you two bags doing up there?
Working.
Hardly worth it.
Yeah, either one. Drop the shaft on the floor. That floor harder than that hard. that old saying about tighter
But what?
than a board bag during fly season?
Fuck it.
Fly time.
Yeah, fuck that up on there.
Read it out. You gonna lift it out by hand, or you gonna get the skid forklift over there? Yeah, whatever.
Gotta get a stick on it, didn't you?
Did you know you're on camera?
I couldn't. What's on the leg? A little bit of.
Over here just in time to
Just in time to get away.
get away, Mike. That's a big cylinder you guys are working on. Wow. Does that feel like something that you hang on to every day?
Huh? This is smaller.
Oh, it's smaller?
Not even close to 5 inch.
Oh yeah, we got Troy's got a new name. His name is 5 inch. Boy, that's a good fit, huh? There she went.
Oh, get another seal kit coming. Fuck, that's perfect. Alright.
Did you get her past there? He's got to lift up on it a little bit. Yeah, there you go, boy. Good job. You guys work together pretty good for a couple of rookies.
It's like a mama and a daddy.
Like a mama and daddy, huh? I'd hate to see what you two do alone then.
Make magic happen.
What do you think of that Matco tool?
Toyota Nissan cam tool.
It's a Nissan cam tool, but it works for that, huh? I'm telling you, tighten that damn. Or did you already?
Still moves in the torque on it.
That jam nut. Let's almost look at, that's incredible. The pins aren't quite big enough, are they? If I had knew a guy at a machine shop, we could probably get some of them made a little bit bigger.
Just make her own.
You got a machine shop?
Pretty close.
Just grind down a rod and bolt. Not hard enough.
Little heat trader.
They should make a ratcheting one like that.
Clincher.
How? I don't know. Invent it and then you'll be rich. You'll be styling like a big dog. I don't think it's even engaged yet, is it?
Probably not. I'm just saying what's happening.
You're just spinning it.
If I spin her for about 5 minutes and she's not going anywhere, that's how I usually know.
Okay. I want to see something while you're in there. Because you're going to be doing that on this other one right behind me. You're going to see if this is... Oh, it goes against the face. So watch what you're doing with the camera, Mike. Okay.
I'll try.
All that work for nothing, huh? That happens.
You remember how many of those were in there?
6 maybe in that kit. It should be on the bag there, Jeff. I think she's in.
There's got traction there. Want to see my wood?
Nice wood. Peck of wood. The cripes, you guys will have that hung back up there today yet. Don't put the grease fitting the wrong way.
There's a hose on it anyways.
There is on this one? On the top.
Yeah.
No, I mean this one.
That one, not that one. I need a gear grease. Technically.
Alright, I'm done watching you guys. You want me to shut up?
Kind of really getting pretty mean today.
Oh, that's terrible.
Up in there.
Are you videoing, Mike?
Yeah,
What?
Aren't them nice?
You gonna give that to your boyfriend for a present?
Yep.
What is it?
The strap on. Alright, go now. It's a belt. So I can
It's gonna need a little bit of busy.
Stand up, old slippery McDonald spot. Helping?
Couple of pieces.
Little bit?
Half that little bit.
Good?
Later.
It's gonna be a little warm, but it'll work.
Yeah. Like that.
Like that?
Good. Fucking good. It's just deluxe. I know.
You got that in ready?
You guys, wow.
I don't know why you're so mean like that.
I'm always.
He's mean to me.
It's my job.
Huh?
It's my job.
That's what old people do when they get.
Keep being mean, your job's gonna get harder.
Yeah, I know. Wow, what a productive, non-productive kind of day today. Let me interpret that. You just saw the guys busting hump, putting that cylinder, repacking it. A customer was here today, gave me some more direction on this 1010 of his. So we got, the wife happened to be up there at the Deere dealer, and we got the packing, got some other stuff, and they got that rolled out. In here, if you will, we got a little something going on, something. That race is just a little bit loose, so we're putting some bearing mount in there and letting it sit overnight. And then I'm gonna bring you over here. All of a sudden I lost all my zing here at 5 o'clock. It's been a long couple days, we're doing good, getting lots done. I got Mr. Preheater mounted, fuel line, first of the water coolant lines. Exhaust is all in, intake is in. Hey, look at this. I gotta shorten this strap up a little bit, but I'm gonna show you what we got here. There's the fuel cell, there'll be another strap there. And then back there I've got, oh, let's see if I can see that. There's the fuel line coming from the back, the little canipple. So when you're all done with it, you don't even have to pull it out that far. And in she'll go. Of course I gotta shorten that strap. Look at that. All covered up. So that was a good day for me. Got a lot done. Got to run some coolant hoses yet and some wiring. Well, all the wiring, but it's getting there. It's getting there. So between that, this, that, and the other thing, and the customers coming in, it keeps me occupied, which is good. And that's that. So hope you enjoy. I'm going to try to put out a video here more regular now that I got good internet. Seeing Mr. Frontier guy has helped me out a little bit. And that's what I'm up to. It's all right, just locking up and making sure things are hunky-dory and la land, so. All right, take care light. See you, bye.